Did you know your bones could be losing density even while you sleep, and you might not notice until it's too late? Every year after 50 bouts, millions of people quietly lose bone strength, making them much more likely to suffer from fractures, joint pain, and loss of independence. Imagine bending down to pick up a grandchild and feeling a sharp pain in your back, or taking a simple step and risking a fracture that takes months to heal. Research suggests that by the time you reach 65, 1 in 3 women and 1 in 5 men will experience a fracture related to osteoporosis, a silent thief that steals your strength with almost no warning. If you've noticed backaches that linger, a loss of height, or a fracture that heals more slowly than you'd expect, you're not alone. These red flags are all signs your bones may no longer be keeping up with your body's demands. For many years, the solution seemed simple: drink more milk. But what if I told you that focusing on milk may not be enough, or even the best choice after 60 days? In one study, new research highlighted that certain plant-based foods may deliver even greater benefits for bone health than dairy, thanks to a broader range of minerals, unique compounds, and proteins your body needs as you age. So let me ask you, are you doing everything you can to protect your bones from thinning, brittleness, and painful fractures? And did you know that a few everyday foods could make the difference between struggling with weakness and enjoying active, independent years well into your 70s? If you've ever wished there was a simple way to rebuild your bones without relying only on supplements or dairy, this video is for you. Today, I'll reveal the 5 most scientifically backed bone-building foods proven by research, easy to find, and simple to add to your meals. Just imagine, what would your days look like if you worried less about falling or breaking a bone? What adventures or activities could you return to with stronger, steadier bones? In today's video, we'll explore the answers, and you might be surprised by just how easy and affordable this can be. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's get started with the foods that offer your bones the greatest support, starting with a true nutritional powerhouse. The first food I want to introduce you to is moringa, sometimes called nature's multivitamin, and more valuable for bones than you might think. You've probably heard that milk is rich in calcium, but did you know that moringa leaves can contain up to 7 times more calcium than a glass of milk? It's not just about the quantity, either. Research suggests that moringa offers calcium along with a package of repair compounds, antioxidants, and regulators that work together inside your body. Let me tell you about a patient of mine, Margaret, who always assumed her morning glass of milk was enough. But after yet another minor bone fracture, she tried adding just a teaspoon of moringa powder to her morning smoothies. Within several months, her follow-up scans surprised both of us. While moringa isn't a cure, what we saw was a real improvement in her bone density, especially when she combined it with other bone-friendly habits. Moringa supports your bones in several ways. Think of your bones as a construction site. In your youth, the builders work furiously to create new, dense tissue. After 50, though, the demolition crew starts catching up. The builders slow down, and bone breakdown speeds up. Moringa contains plant compounds known as isothiocyanates, which act almost like smart managers at this construction site, encouraging bone building while slowing bone breakdown. In various studies, moringa consumption was shown to increase bone density and help prevent osteoporosis in aging models. The benefits go further. Moringa is rich in vitamin C, helping your body weave calcium into the collagen matrix that keeps bones flexible and resilient. Antioxidants reduce the oxidative stress that quietly damages bone cells. And if you've ever worried about losing your balance, the muscle-supporting nutrients in moringa may help keep your joints stable and protective against falls. Adding moringa is simple. Start with half a teaspoon of moringa powder, mixed into juice or sprinkled on salads. Let your body adjust. Then work up to a full teaspoon daily for steady support. A small daily change can help maintain the independence you cherish. Now, moving on to the next powerful food, quinoa. It looks like just another grain, but it's anything but ordinary. Quinoa offers a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids needed to build the protein scaffolding inside your bones. One amino acid, lysine, is particularly vital. It acts as the glue that allows calcium to bind properly, forming collagen, the foundation of bone and joint strength. In one study, seniors who regularly ate quinoa had higher bone density and better collagen quality. Why? Along with calcium, quinoa is packed with magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese minerals that create the mortar between the bricks of your bones. More than half of older adults are low in magnesium, but quinoa naturally fills that gap while being gentle on digestion. Plus, quinoa contains saponins, natural compounds that tame inflammation, one of the main drivers of bone thinning as people age. Beyond bones, quinoa helps regulate blood sugar. Stable blood sugar is key because sharp spikes accelerate collagen, stiffening and make bones weaker, while a steady glycemic load keeps your bones more flexible. For those with gluten sensitivity or digestion issues, quinoa is naturally gluten-free and easy to prepare. Whether you cook it as a side dish, add to salads, or make as a cozy breakfast porridge, even half a cup 3 times a week can provide a real difference. Think about how this compares to the past. Many people believed only dairy mattered, but research suggests the right proteins and minerals are just as crucial after 60 Mayo. The third food on our list may be small, but its benefits are mighty. Sesame seeds. Just a tablespoon contains more calcium than a glass of milk, and the calcium in sesame is especially bioavailable. Your body can use it easily, which is essential as digestive efficiency naturally drops with age. Have you ever noticed joint pains or stiffness when standing in the morning? This could be a sign your bones and joints need more supportive minerals. Sesame doesn't stop at calcium. It delivers lignans, unique plant compounds that help regulate bone metabolism and calm inflammation around your joints. The black sesame variety contains even more calcium than the common white seeds. For older adults, sesame brings other minerals, zinc, which helps your body form the collagen mesh that holds bone together, copper for strong, resilient structures, and iron to support healthy blood flow and healing. Plus, studies have observed that regular sesame intake is linked to slower bone density loss, especially in women after menopause. The seeds also feature phytosterols that may gently support hormonal balance, making them a favorite in many traditional diets. To get the most out of sesame, toast the seeds lightly to boost flavor and make them even easier to digest. Grind them or blend into tahini for absorption. Try adding a scoop to salads, stir-fries, or yogurt. Imagine enjoying the hearty flavor of sesame while quietly nourishing your bones with every bite. Let's take a quick pause for a micro hook. If seeds can offer more calcium than milk, what else is hiding in small foods you've overlooked? We're just getting started. Our fourth bone-building champion is chia seeds. These tiny black seeds are loaded with bone-boosting nutrients, including a special mix of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and omega-3 fatty acids. Just 5 tablespoons match the calcium in a glass of milk, but with additional minerals to help your body actually use that calcium. Here's something fascinating. In some studies, people with higher intakes of omega-3s and antioxidants, both found in chia seeds, enjoyed better bone resilience and fewer fractures as they aged. Chia seeds also pack boron, a mineral that helps your body optimize its calcium and magnesium balance. And because they're rich in both protein and fiber, chia seeds keep your collagen strong and improve how you absorb nutrients from other foods. To get all these benefits, always soak chia seeds before eating. This makes them form a gel, supporting digestion and unlocking nutrients. Mix into oatmeal, yogurt, or even make a quick chia pudding by soaking overnight in almond or oat milk. Just 3 tablespoons a day can have a noticeable effect over time. Here's a practical analogy. Caring for your bones with chia is like regularly topping up oil in a car. You may not notice the difference day to day, but long term, your engine stays strong and avoids breakdowns. Now that we've looked at seeds and grains, let's move to a protein-rich powerhouse. Tofu, often overlooked, Tofu is made from soybeans and offers complete protein, high bioavailable calcium, and plant isoflavones that gently balance aging hormones. A serving of tofu, about 200 grams, can deliver more usable calcium than 3 full glasses of milk. Why does that matter? Because as you age, your body absorbs calcium less efficiently, so bioavailability becomes key. Tofu's protein content is also essential. Without enough protein, your bones cannot rebuild the collagen mesh that holds them together. Perhaps most intriguing are the isoflavones found in tofu. In populations with lifelong soy intake, such as parts of Asia, research has consistently shown much lower osteoporosis and fracture rates than seen in the West. Isoflavones act as a mild plant-based support for declining estrogen, naturally buffering against bone thinning. Tofu is versatile. Add firm tofu to stir fries, cubes to salads with leafy greens, or blend silken tofu into soups and smoothies for extra creaminess. Try pairing tofu with vegetables high in calcium and magnesium to boost the effect. Think broccoli, spinach, or bok choy. Even having tofu just 2 or 3 times per week can start building up your bone protection. As a quick story, one of my clients, John, who resisted meatless foods for years, began adding baked tofu to dinner a few nights a week. Not only did his joint flexibility improve, but his blood work and follow-up bone scans revealed a positive trend, a great reminder that small changes can really add up in your 7th decade and beyond. Let's pause for a micro hook. What if switching your usual protein for tofu twice a week could tip the balance in favor of bone building instead of bone loss? Now let's make sure you know exactly how to prepare these bone-boosting foods for maximum benefit. It's not just what you eat, it's how you eat it. Moringa powder works best when introduced gradually, half a teaspoon at first, added to juice or smoothies, so your digestion can adjust. For quinoa, rinse thoroughly to remove bitterness and use twice as much water as quinoa. Serve it warm. Toss it in salads, or make an easy porridge with berries, delicious and bone-friendly. Sesame seeds are most effective when toasted or ground. Sprinkle over stir-fries or blend into spreads like tahini. Chia seeds must be soaked. Mix 3 tablespoons with a cup of liquid and let it absorb for at least 20 minutes. Use in yogurt, oatmeal, or as pudding. Tofu needs draining before cooking for best texture. Press water out, cut into cubes, and stir-fry with herbs like garlic or turmeric for a tasty, protective meal. Rotating these foods gives your body a spectrum of nutrients rather than relying on the same one every day. You'll build stronger bones through variety. Think of it like rotating crops on a farm. Each plant offers a different set of minerals, so your bones never run low on the support they need. Of course, as powerful as these foods are, it's important to remember a few precautions when adding them to your diet. Moringa, while gentle, can act as a mild laxative if you take too much too quickly. Start slowly and consult your doctor if you're on diabetes medication, as moringa could interact. Quinoa contains oxalates, which may pose a risk for those with a history of kidney stones, so eat in moderation and stay hydrated. Sesame seeds are calorie-dense. 1 tablespoon a day is enough for most people and avoids unwanted weight gain. Chia seeds, high in omega-3, can interfere with blood-thinning medications. If you take such prescriptions, check with your healthcare provider before using chia daily. Tofu contains isoflavones. This is generally beneficial. But if you have a history of hormone-sensitive breast cancer, limit intake and always discuss any concerns with your doctor. Whenever possible, use organic and non-GMO tofu to avoid unnecessary additives. Remember, none of these foods replace prescribed medications or treatments. They are meant to support your body's natural strength. Before making any major dietary changes, especially if you manage chronic conditions or take medications, it's always safest to consult your healthcare team. Strong bones are not built in a day, but with small, consistent efforts, you can make powerful changes over time. The reality is that osteoporosis doesn't have to dictate how you live your later years. Every spoonful of moringa, each bite of quinoa, every sprinkle of sesame, the gel of chia, or a slice of tofu is a step toward independence. Your bones are not static, They are alive, renewing and repairing daily. Each meal is an opportunity to choose strength, flexibility, and mobility. These foods aren't just nutrition. They are practical tools to help you stay active, steady on your feet, and free to enjoy the moments and memories that matter most. I invite you to start today. Try adding just one of these foods to your next meal. Maybe mix chia seeds into your morning yogurt, or toast sesame over a salad, or swap out your usual protein for a delicious tofu stir-fry. With every small change, you're investing in your bones, your independence, and your future vitality. Which of these 5 bone-building foods will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I read and respond to every single one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life after 50 MAP. And be sure to check out our next video on simple movements that keep your joints flexible as you age. If you've ever felt tired, stiff, or worried about bone health after 50 this channel is made just for you. Stay strong, stay steady, and I'll see you in the next video.